Back in this video, I'll guide you how to put a vertical line in the middle of a word. So depending on your goal, whether you are typing a character, designing a document or coding, here are the most effective ways to insert a vertical line in the middle of a word. So the most common way to insert a vertical line within text is using the pipe symbol. So this is my on-screen keyboard, and now put the cursor in the middle of the word where you want to insert a vertical line and press the shift key, and here is the backslash key, usually located just above the enter key, so you need to press it, and this is one, you can see that. There is another way you can use the Alt code. Now you need to hold the Alt key and type 124 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And this is what you can see, that a vertical line has been inserted in a middle of a word. Moreover, in the word shortcut, you can type 007C and then press Alt X Alt together. So it will convert to the pipe symbol immediately. So some people prefer the broken bar symbols. For this, you need to press the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad, press 0166 and release the Alt key. And here as you can see that the broken bar symbol is inserted in between the text. Moreover, there is another way. You need to go to the insert and click on the shapes and choose the straight line, and now hold the shift key and drag it like this one. Now you can drag it and exactly where you want to inside the Word document or at the end of the document or either on the left side of the document. It's up to you where you want to place it. So if you want to increase the weight of the line, you need to go to the shape format and click on the shape outline, and it is the weight. You can select 2.5 pt and the vertical pipeline weight has been increased. So this way you can easily put a vertical line in the middle of a word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.